So today I wanted to show you a software efficiency hack I use which saves me a crap load of hours every week and improves the quality of my communications with clients and partners. And the software is called Witty Parrot. And by the way, I'm not sponsored by Witty Parrot and I'll not receive any monies for this endorsement, so you know you're getting the real poop from me. Subscribe to this channel for cool hacks like this and so much more for running a better business. So here's the problem. Are you in a job that requires you to write lots of emails or documents and you find you might be repeating yourself and have to type out sort of the same or similar content? It's a real slog. You might find you're not always putting things consistent every time, like maybe forgetting stuff or coming up with new stuff later that you wish you would have had at the time. And maybe you have fellow workmates that are writing emails and you want to have a consistent communication strategy with the outside world. Well, Witty Parrot is a great solution for streamlining these tasks, and it creates a centralized content hub that will ensure, like organizational wide, that communication is consistent. And it's pretty cost effective compared to the amount of time it saves. I'm talking, for me anyways, a drop in time spent from half an hour on average to like 2 minutes on average. You heard me, 2 minutes. Now that's Indianapolis 500 speed, baby. It's a game changer. You create the content once, then you drop it in an email or Word document, and you're done. Witty Parrot acts as an add-on to Word or Outlook and maybe many more applications, but these are the ones I use. It's cloud-based, so you can create your content from a browser, or you can even create or edit your content right in the add-on, which is pretty dynamic. And any user you create can access the content. It also allows you to create variables within the content, like a first name or a company name, which brings some personalization to the mix. It's pretty cool. Check it out, and check us out if you want an accountant that not only worries about your taxes, but worry about how you can save time, because time is money, and money is profit, and lots of money is wealth. And wealth, well, it's just cool. So if this software hack looks like something your friends might be interested in, share it with them. See you next time.